Good morning. This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today is day 8 of my keto restart. And today I'm getting ready to take my blood sugars. I wanted to show y'all. I don't know if you can see or not, but my thumbnail it broke. The tip of it broke off. I've been trying to get it to so where it won't show so bad, but it did. I just got my nails done, and then I knew this was going to happen. But anyway, I've got getting ready to take my blood sugar, and then I'm going to be prepping food all day today. I like to do it on Tuesday because Regina is, Regina's here every day, but Sunday and Monday. And so when she comes back on Tuesday, I usually stay home. We don't go anywhere or anything like that. So I try to prep things on Tuesday. So I'm getting ready after I fix, after I take my blood sugars, I'm going to fix some taco meat. I've got 5 pounds of ground chuck here, and I'm going to use 2.5 pounds of it and fix some taco meat and have that for this week. And then I'm going to fix some strawberry jam, and I'm going to have a taco salad with my taco meat as soon as I finish making it, because I really am hungry. It's 20 after 12, and at 5 o'clock this morning, I was really hungry, and I had 6 pork skins, Max barbecue pork skins, and then I had a Slim Jim. And before that, I hadn't had anything since yesterday. I had some steak bites and broccoli slaw, and those recipes are already on the channel for you to look at and try if you'd like. And so I'm really hungry today. Really hungry, and my belly is all better, and as I tell the gram, it's all better. My belly's all better, and so let's go on and take my blood sugars and see what they are today. Like I said, this is day 8 of my keto restart. Let's see. Let's try this one. Yes. We have blood. All right. Can you see? Yep. 180. So I haven't had anything since 5 o'clock this morning, and it's almost 12:30, so we'll say 7.5 hours. Is that right? And it is 180. That's way better than 223, what it started out as last week. So it is coming down, and I'm hoping that, because I really have not eaten anything this past week. My thing is that I do like pork skins and my Slim Jims. So, like I said, I was really hungry. 5 o'clock this morning, I had 6 pork skins and 1 Slim Jim. So, all right, so I'm going to get off of here and fix this taco meat, and I'll bring you back and show you exactly what I'm going to do. Okay, y'all, I wanted to show you what I do with my taco meat. You need the fat from your ground beef, and there's also a lot of water in your ground beef. So instead of draining this and adding water, I leave it just like it is, and I'm going to go on and add my taco seasoning mix now. And I've got this, I had 2 of these. I don't know whether Kayla's used one or what, but I had 2 of these, and once this is I'm out of this, then I'll be making my own taco seasoning mix. But right now, I'm going to go on and use this. And it says 1/4 of a cup for every pound or whatever, but I don't know. I'm just going to pour some in. Probably, whoops, split across the room. Probably about 1/2 cup of this. Because I do want it to taste like taco meat or whatever. So it is about, I did probably put about 1/2 cup in there. So I just mix this all together. And then when it gets done, then I'll pour some salsa. I have a little bit of salsa left that I'll put in here with it as well, so it won't be dry, because I'll use this all week. But anyway, I just wanted to show y'all. And so when this gets done, I'm gonna fix a taco salad and I'll bring you back in. Okay, I'm back. All right, so here's my amazing looking lunch. I've got lettuce. I've got 5 teeny weeny cherry tomatoes cut up, which so makes it 10. 5 altogether. I've got olives cut in half. I've got cheese, taco blend cheese. I've got the taco meat. I've got sour cream. I've got guacamole. And I've got salsa. I think that's it. But I'm going to eat this, y'all, because for the first time in a while, I am really, really hungry. So it is 20 to 2, and I'm eating my first meal of the day. So I will be back later. Okay, y'all, I'm back. All right, it's been all day. It's 10 after 10 at night. I haven't eaten one thing since I had my lunch today. And I've got some I've got some steak bites in the microwave heating up. I'm gonna eat those. But first I wanna, just for kicks and giggles, we're going to check my blood sugar to see what it is. At night, I'll take my medicine I'll take my shot and all my other medicine around 12 tonight. It's just the way that I've asked the doctor to do it, because I am not one, I forget every time. So I'm on the, I can't even think of the name of it now. Metformin, extended release. Almost all of my medications are extended release. That way, I don't have to take them but one time a day. So, all right, we're going to check my blood here and see what it is. Let me find a finger that I haven't used. Oh, and somebody told me to, like, massage your finger or squeeze it or whatever. So, I'm going to do that and see if that helps get some blood up to the top up here. All right, let's see. Not a drop. Maybe I didn't. What if I got this sitting on? It's on 5. I guess I need to take it up to 6. All right, let's try this one. See if any will come out on this one. Yes. We have blood. All right. Alright, so let's see what my blood is tonight. 139. Okay, so it is that dawn phenomenon or morning phenomenon or whatever it is, because 139 is pretty good. As a matter of fact, that's really good. So that is what is happening with me. I'm taking it in the morning, and I'm just having higher mornings. I guess, than I should. But anyway, 139 is pretty good. I guess it could stand to be a lot lower, but all right, let me get my steak bites out of the microwave and I'll show you when I'm eating. Here's my steak bites, and I really am not that hungry at all, but I'm starting to itch again, and y'all know how, oh my gosh, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that last time I got that stupid keto itch, and it about drove me crazy. And so tonight I've been itching all over, and I know, oh, I can't even get the ketchup open. There it goes. I know that I don't know, I've got to start eating more so I don't get that keto itch again. I'm putting ketchup on these, and I'm using this. I get this at Walmart. It's G. Hughes sugar-free ketchup. If you've been doing keto and watching or whatever with this, you know that this is one of the better ketchups around for keto. So I'm gonna go on. I don't lead a very thrilling life, y'all, so, and I'm definitely not eating very much, but I did eat the taco salad today, and I'm gonna make some more things tomorrow. I need to make some keto strawberry jam, and I want to make some drop biscuits, keto drop biscuits. That sounds wonderful to me. I'd really like to have some sausage gravy and biscuits, but it's not going to happen unless I can find a way to do it on keto. So, but anyway, I'm going to go on and eat my steak bites, and then I'm going to watch TV for a little while, take my medicine, and then go to sleep. And I will be back with y'all tomorrow. Oh, I did have 2 sticks or pieces of Trident cinnamon sugar-free gum, and I did have that today. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and different things that I use in my kitchen that you can get off of Amazon. And I will talk to you later. You have a good night. Bye.